Polkadot is exchanging at 5.46 in terms of its US dollar rate with a value change of 0.46 and fundamentally most recent 60 minutes or so they sort of thought SPEC generally has a sort of total market cap of $6,585,036,076 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of 125,644,677, which is very critical in every practical sense. This effectively places Polkadot at 13 and the cryptographic money market as a whole in spite of common thinking if you actually are a crypto financial booster and considering what generally is the Polkadot cost projection end of 2023. What will it be worth in 2023 or so they essentially thought is Polkadot and in every practical sense wise Ventura especially worth purchasing in 2023 which explicitly is genuinely critical will SPEC costs basically outperform its unequaled high in an essentially significant manner. These for the most part are our Polkadot in contrast to popular belief. Cost projections for DAbs in the future are virtually negative. Polkadot DAB Value Forecast 2023. According to Polkadot Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, the DAB cost is expected to sort of cross a particularly regular value level of 6.55 cents in 2023. Polkadot's average actually least value worth at the end of the genuinely current year ought to be 6.29 or so they generally assumed, besides SPEC can truly arrive at a genuinely best value level of 6.94 cents. Expected Polkadot DAB value in July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Polkadot might be anywhere between 4.92 cents and 5.59, however the genuinely normal trading cost needs to be about 5.43, which is generally fairly high. Figure a Polkadot SPEC value August 2023. For August 2023, the cost of Polkadot is explicitly expected to purchase and large arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of 5.65 cents, although the coin might trade between an essentially limit of 5.81 and at least 5.39 sort of a contradiction to popular belief. Polkadot Value Forecast September 20th, 2023. The price of Polkadot is expected to range between 5.67 and 6.09 cents in September 2023. While the average spot price in September remains around 5.88 cents. Polkadot Value Hypothesis in October 2023. The cost of Polkadot, for the most part is expected to be around and at the very least a 5.85 cents kind of in contrast to prevalent thinking Polkadot costs can arrive at a buy in large limit of 6.32 cents with the truly normal cost of 6.11 cents in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Figure a Polkadot value in November 2023, the average cost of Polkadot DAB could generally go to $6.30. By the end of November 2023, DAB could truly be exchanging around a sort of most extreme worth of 6.63 with the in every practical sense least expected cost of $6.04. Polkadot DAB Value Calculator December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Polkadot is fundamentally expected to arrive at a very normal cost of 6.55. However, the coin could exchange between a truly limit of 6.94 and an exceptionally least of 6.29. Indicating that Polkadot SPEC value figure. For December 2023, the cost of Polkadot is generally expected to sort of arrive at a buy and large normal cost of $6.55. While the coin could exchange between and in every way that really matters limit of 6.94 cents and an especially least of 6.29, which is generally very critical. Polkadot passed cost examination with an increase in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Polkadot's cost explicitly has shown a decent increment of 2.43 and the sort of most recent 24 hours, which basically is genuinely huge from most recent 7 days. The SPEC in a genuine sense was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.7 in an unobtrusive manner. Polkadot explicitly has shown most areas of strength for unquestionably potential recently, and this unexpected down implies that the coin specifically is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be an excellent for the most part purchase a valuable open door for kind of speedy venture, which fundamentally shows that while the generally normal exchanging cost ought to essentially be around 5.43 in contrast to prevalent thinking, The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 14.52 and the cost is generally circled from a base standard cost of 6. Beyond 90 days, this is especially critical in the most recent 4 months. Polkadot explicitly has demonstrated a developing pattern that by and large is very large, thus we truly believe that comparative pieces of the market basically were very popular at that period as opposed to prevalent thinking as per particularly the most recent information gathered the exchanging volume of Polkadot basically is expanded from 4 months. Essentially further appearance how in the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and consider Polkadot as a crypto financial backer and consider Polkadot as a crypto, what will Polkadot be actually worth in 2023, which is quite large. The exchanging volume plays an important role in its cost in a significant way. The coin in a real sense is up by 15.29, with the kind of greatest, truly normal cost of the coin certainly was around 4.59 and the essentially least typical cost of truly was around 4.46 in general. Beyond 4 months, the 90-day cost change is normally about 14.52, and the cost has ranged from a sort of least actually normal cost of $6.02 to a sort of most extreme truly normal cost of $6.57 in the purchase and large. Beyond 90 days in a fundamentally significant way facts about the 2023 Polkadot value gauge in 2023, what will be expressly Polkadot essentially worth. The DAB cost is basically determined to, in every practical sense, arrive at an essentially greatest level of 6.94 with genuinely least cost of 6.29 toward the end of 2023, demonstrating that assuming you are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Polkadot cost expectation end of 2023, what will Polkadot for the most part be a unique worth? In 2023, does Polkadot actually have a future or so they assumed in terms of value? Polkadot has an exceptional underlying ability to reach new heights, which is evident. As $10 billion worth of trades come in, the price of Bitcoin is expected to stay at $30,000. What's next for Bitcoin? As Bitcoin's trade volume hits $10 billion, the currency stays put at $30,000. This has people talking about where it might go next. Bitcoin is still interesting to investors and traders even though it is currently selling at around $29,900 and went up by less than 0.1% on Saturday. Along with this, the SEC's request for more money to deal with risks and scams on the crypto market makes the future of BTC even more interesting. With all of these things going on, everyone wants to know, where will Bitcoin go next?